You know that feeling when you're stuck on an Excel formula or a Power BI measure? You've tried everything, Googled, searched for DAX, looked at Microsoft's documentation. Still nothing works. Well, I used to spend hours in that loop, pulling my hair out, staring at error messages until I found the solution, but that all changed when I started using ChatGPT. It was a random Thursday evening. I was stuck trying to calculate year-over-year sales growth in Power BI. My DAX measure kept showing errors no matter what I did. I typed the issue into Chat and within seconds, boom, it gave me the correct measure. I copied, pasted, and boom, it worked. That's when it hit me. I wasn't using AI to cheat. I was using it to learn faster, to solve problems smarter, and to work better. My new workflow looks like this. First, if I need a formula in Excel, maybe to extract the domain from an email, clean up messy data, or build a complex if statement, I just ask Chat, give me an Excel formula to extract the domain from this email list. Done, there's the formula. Here's how it works. And here's how to apply it. It's like having a personal Excel tutor, but free and way smarter than any human. Then in Power BI, I no longer stress over writing long switch or filter formulas. I simply tell it, write a DAX formula to calculate total sales for the top 10 customers by revenue. It not only generates the formula but also explains what each part means. I finally understand DAX, but that's not all. I use it for way more, like writing summary texts. I export a Power BI report to Excel and tell it, summarize this data into 5 insights for a sales manager. It gives me something I can literally copy and paste into an email. It also helps me create bullet-pointed presentations from data. I can just tell it, create a Power BI visual that shows the top 5 products by sales and put it on a slide with the title best-selling products, and voila, done. What used to take me 3 hours of research, trial, and error now takes 45 minutes. It's not just a time saver. It's a game changer. It's like having a free senior analyst on my team, 24/7, helping me unlock insights that I would have never found on my own. If you work with Excel or Power BI and you're stuck or slow, try adding Chat to your workflow. It won't replace you. It will unlock you. Because time is too valuable to waste fixing the same formula again and again.